Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make restaurant style masala dosa. Let's get started. I'm going to add 3 cups rice. Now I'm going to add 1 cup split black lentil, that is the urad dal, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon split chickpeas, that is the chana dal. I'm going to wash this nicely and soak this for 3 hours. So it's 3 hours now. Now I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. This is the rice which I had soaked for 3 hours. Now I'll be grinding this. Along with this, I'm going to add 1 cup rice. If you have any leftover rice at home, you can just add that rice. If you don't have this, you can also add poha. This is my batter. I'm going to keep it for fermenting for 8 to 9 hours. Meanwhile, let's get started with spicy red chutney, which is used in masala dosa. So I've kept my pan on medium-high heat. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoon oil, 1 garlic pod finely chopped, half onion finely chopped. I had taken medium sized onion, 2 tablespoons roasted chickpeas, that is the roasted chana dal. You need to fry all these for 2 to 3 minutes. Onion and the garlic has softened now. Now I'm going to add 4 to 5 red chilies, dry red chilies. If you have Kashmiri red chilies, that will be very nice. Once this is cooled, I'm going to grind it to a fine paste by adding very little water and salt. So this is the spicy red masala which is added in the masala dosa. Let's get started with the palya, or you call it as potato sabji or potato masala. I've kept my pan on medium-high heat. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon split chickpeas, that's the chana dal, half teaspoon black gram, that is the urad dal. Lightly fry this until it splutters. Few curry leaves, teaspoon asafoetida, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped. Just fry this. 1 large onion finely chopped. Fry all this. Fry onions until translucent. Half teaspoon turmeric. Now I'm going to add 4 potatoes boiled and chopped. Salt as required. Now just stir this. Masher, I'm going to mash this lightly. Handful coriander leaves finely chopped. Now cook this on medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is ready now. You can call it as palya or potato masala, anything. So the spicy red masala is ready. Batter has fermented for 8 hours. Now the potato masala is also ready. One more thing we have to do with the batter is, see, the batter has risen after fermenting. I'm gonna add some salt. Adjust your salt as you require. 1 tablespoon sugar. Half teaspoon baking powder. If you have soda, you can add 1/4 teaspoon soda. So mix all this nicely. Batter must be this much thick. Don't make it too runny. So let's make our dosas. When the pan is medium hot, put the dosa batter and spread it. I'm going to add some clarified butter You know, when you add clarified butter, the taste is really very delicious. In the corners, I'm going to add some clarified butter. I'm going to spread some spicy red chutney and the potato masala. The dosa is done now. Now I'm going to fold this. I'm going to remove this into a plate. I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to add my batter and just spread. One thing you have to remember is the pan must not be too hot. I'm going to add the clarified butter. If you want, you can also add oil, but as I told you, it's really delicious when you add clarified butter. It will just take a minute or two for dosa to get ready. So yeah, this is done. Now I'm going to remove this. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe and share, and also click the bell icon to keep yourself updated with my new recipes.